Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in the additional of the weekend edition, the Saturday and Sunday, December the 23rd, 24th. Well, it's today, actually 24th, because it's today's Sunday. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. It's binary time. This one will be number 7678. No, 77. Correction. 77. 7677. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. And it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8, a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. Well, that's a quick one. The binary puzzle without comparing, and we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF, also can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle in this additional. Until then, bye bye for now.